sir. Thank you for good work today. Today is a day of good tidings for Akwa Ibom, and even those that didn't support us made us to work. You see, it's if you got this without a contest, then you won't appreciate what you got. So the contest showed you the enormity of what God was about doing in your life. So you need to celebrate even those people that contested with you. So there's no fear whatsoever. You can have happy hour with Jesus. You can have happy hour with your spouse. Happy hour is meant for those that have worked hard, and there's need for a time of recreation, a time of refreshment. Don't forget my background. I'm from the tourism sector, and so we want to promote tourism in Akwa Ibom. And so Akwa Ibom will score many milestones. So as you achieve this milestone, you relax. Rest and recreation is part of happy hour. There's no human being that can walk throughout all his life. Remember when we were growing up in school? All work without play makes Jack a dull boy. So Akwa Ibom will work hard and will rest well.
Well, as he said, that is going to make the state to be very peaceful, and is going to establish industries, and is going to face its agendas, arising agendas, which involve agriculture, education, health, and others. So we believe that, and we are sure that he will be able to do it. He has done it before in other organizations, so we believe that when it comes to the government of Akwa Ibom State to carry out his own assignment, he will do it. He will do the same thing.
So I expect continuity of peace, continuity of progress, continuity of development that has been started by His Excellency Mr. Dom Emmanuel. And I know the governor-elect is capable. He's a man we call Mr. Character, Mr. Competence, and Mr. Capacity. So he has all the text. He's a man of integrity, a man of honesty, a man of compassion, a man that loves his people. So I'm sure he's going to perform excellently well in Akwa Ibom.